It absolutely rips through the wood. You hear that sound? That, my friends, is the sound of my old chainsaw trying to cut through a twig. It sounds less like a lumberjack's best friend and more like a dying cat gargling in gravel. Frankly, my neighbors were starting to give me concerned looks. But thankfully, those days are over, because today we're taking the first look at a VEVOR Gas Chainsaw. This isn't just any chainsaw, we're talking about a 52cc 2-cycle gasoline-powered beast with an 18-inch bar that promises to make quick work of anything you throw at it, whether that's from your forest, your woodpile, your garden, or out on the farm. So look, you've seen me assemble it, you've seen some cool slow-motion shots, you've seen me using this thing, you've heard the sound of this amazing motor, and for some reason, I forgot to press record when I did my summary right there after chopping everything up. So I'm telling you now, it was so easy to assemble, but that's no big deal. I know you already know what to expect in terms of that, but the important thing that I wanted to tell you was, as I've used it more and more consecutively, it really does start pretty much on the first pull every time. It absolutely rips through the wood. I mean, 18 inches is kind of my favorite size for a chainsaw, where it's like not scared of big projects, but also it's not some giant thing that you need like 3 people to lug around. It's really that perfect balance, if you ask me. Anyway, if you want to get this, you cannot possibly go wrong. There is a link on the screen, or worst case down in the description. Either of them, use them. It doesn't cost you anything extra, helps out the channel a little bit. Remember, if you're still here and I've added value to your life, give this video a like, share with your friends so he can get his own, otherwise he's going to borrow your chainsaw. And obviously, if you have any questions about it, feel free to put it in the comments. I'll try to answer those for you. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.